104,000 of you watched the $3 liquid kill rust on contact. That video changed how you clean your gear, but every single hunter who watched it is still doing one thing wrong. They are waiting for rust to appear before they act. That is the wrong order. The liquid that kills rust in minutes also makes rust completely impossible before it ever starts. The same box of black tea sitting in your grocery store creates a molecular armor on any bare metal surface that rust cannot penetrate and cannot reach the steel through. That armor costs around $3 for a full season of gear. Cerakote charges $200 per firearm for a polymer coating that does the same job on the surface. The industry knows this. I want to bring Dr. Frank Waverly back to the bench. Dr. Waverly is a materials scientist from the University of Alabama who appeared in the original rust elimination video. He has spent 30 years studying corrosion chemistry on metal surfaces. He reached out after the original video went past 100,000 views. He said one thing needed to be added to what that video showed. He said the hunters who watched it now knew how to kill rust, but not how to stop it from forming before it ever appears. He said that was the more important protocol of the two, and he wanted to put the prevention data on the record. The data comes from 300 rifle barrels treated preventively with a tannic acid solution before a 12-month field test. In high humidity conditions across Georgia and Alabama, 0 of the 300 treated barrels developed rust on any treated surface across the entire 12-month period. Before I walk through this prevention protocol with Dr. Waverly, I want to point you somewhere. The complete preventive guide with concentration ratios and gear application schedule. The complete prevention guide is inside the hunter's vault. Scan the QR code showing in the top left of your screen right now, or find the link in the description below and get the full guide. Now, let me explain what is actually happening at the metal surface when you apply tannic acid preventively to bare, clean steel. In the elimination protocol from the original video, tannic acid finds existing rust and iron oxide deposits and converts them into iron tannate, a stable dark compound that bonds to the surface and stops further corrosion. The preventive protocol works on a different sequence entirely. When you apply tannic acid to clean, bare metal surface, the tartrate molecules bond directly to the iron atoms in the steel. They do not need rust to react with. They bond to the iron directly at the surface, forming the iron tannate protection layer before any oxidation process has had the chance to begin. That layer is what rust would have to get through to reach the steel. It cannot. Iron tannate is stable, dense, and non-reactive. It does not corrode, it does not flake, and it does not degrade. Dr. Waverly described it as closing the door on rust rather than chasing it out of the house after it walks in. The original video showed you how to chase rust out. This is how you close the door before it ever gets in. The Romans used tannic acid from oak bark on iron weapons before military campaigns, not after they returned with rust. The British Royal Navy applied it preventively to iron cannon fittings before long ocean voyages, not after the salt water had done its work. In 1943, the Aberdeen Proving Ground ran field trials comparing tannin-treated steel panels against synthetic coatings in sustained humidity and salt exposure conditions over time. The tannin panels lasted 1,000 hours before surface degradation. The synthetic coatings failed at 600 hours. The military knew the science. The gun care industry chose to sell you a synthetic coating at $200 per firearm instead of pointing you toward the $3 alternative. Dr. Waverly made one point about why prevention outperforms cure that most hunters never consider until they hear it stated directly. When you eliminate rust from a surface with tannic acid, you convert the existing iron oxide into iron tannate. But the iron underneath the rust has already lost material. Rust does not sit on top of steel. It replaces steel. Every flake of rust that forms is iron that is gone from the surface. The iron tannate layer that forms after elimination is protecting steel that is already thinner than it was before. The preventive layer forms on full thickness original steel. Nothing has been consumed and nothing has been lost. The surface under preventive iron tannate is intact steel. That is the argument Dr. Waverly made for leading with prevention, rather than treating elimination as the primary protocol. Elimination is the right tool when rust is already present. Prevention is the right tool when the surface is still clean. And most hunters are working with a clean barrel or clean gear for at least part of the season, usually at the start. That moment, before the first range session of the year, before the first stand of the season, before any humidity exposure, is exactly when preventive application costs nothing to do and delivers the most protection per dollar spent. Coming up, Dr. Waverly walks through the full preventive protocol by gear type, starting with rifle barrels before the first season. New rifle barrel exterior before the first season opens, fresh broadheads before storage after you sharpen them, tree stand hardware before you hang the stand each season, fixed blade hunting knives before the season opens, and truck frame metal before winter salt exposure. The application protocol is the same for all 5, he said. What changes is the access point and the contact time. He started with the rifle barrel exterior application. This is the highest value preventive application point because the barrel exterior is bare blued or stainless steel that sees humidity, rain, and temperature swings every season. Dr. Waverly applies the tannic acid solution to a clean cotton cloth and wipes the entire exterior of the barrel from crown to receiver. He works it into any recessed areas around the sight base and the front of the receiver where the barrel threads in. He does not apply the tannic acid solution inside the bore. The bore has its own protection protocol using mineral oil, and tannic acid on a bare clean bore is not necessary because mineral oil already prevents oxidation there. The exterior application sits for 30 minutes at room temperature, then wipes off any excess with a clean, dry cloth. What remains is a thin, dark protective layer of iron tannate bonded directly to the exterior steel of the barrel. That layer is completely invisible at casual inspection. The barrel does not look painted, coated, or treated. It looks like a rifle barrel that has been properly cared for. Dr. Waverly said he has applied preventive tannic acid to the exterior of his own rifle barrels for 11 years. Not one of those barrels has developed surface rust on any exterior surface during that entire period. He hunts in Georgia, where summer humidity regularly exceeds 90%, and spring rains last for several weeks at a time. He said that is the most rust-hostile environment he knows, and his preventive protocol has held through all of it. Broadheads before storage are the second application point. Broadhead blades are high-carbon steel that rusts fast. Most hunters sharpen their broadheads in late summer and store them in the broadhead box until season opens. That storage period, even indoors, is enough for surface rust to start forming on unprotected high-carbon steel blades. A single application of tannic acid solution to the blade surface after the final sharpening session creates the iron tannate layer that prevents storage rust from forming on the blade. Dr. Waverly wipes each blade with a tannic acid-loaded cloth, lets it sit for 20 minutes, then wipes each blade dry. He has been doing this since he started bow hunting 12 years ago. He has never opened a broadhead box in September to find rust. Tree stand hardware is the third preventive category. The bolts, brackets, and mounting hardware on a tree stand sit outdoors for months in rain and temperature swings. Most hunters deal with rust on stand hardware every other season. A preventive wipe down with a tannic acid solution before you hang the stand in late summer each year creates a protection layer that lasts through the season. Dr. Waverly treats his stand hardware the same day he hangs each stand. He brings the solution in a small container in the truck. Wipe down, 20 minutes, dry. Every piece of bare steel on the stand. He said the stands he has maintained this way for 5 years show zero rust on any hardware surface after 5 seasons. The stands that he did not treat before the first season had visible rust on bracket hardware by mid-season. That is the data from his own property over 5 years of observation. The complete preventive protocol by gear type with exact solution ratios, application timing, and the seasonal maintenance schedule. The complete prevention guide is inside the hunter's vault. Dr. Waverly made one point that changed how I think about gear care. He said most hunters treat corrosion as something that happens to them, an unavoidable fact of hunting in wet conditions and cold weather. He said it is not unavoidable, it is the predictable result of leaving bare iron and steel unprotected in a wet environment. The iron tannate layer removes the variable that makes rust inevitable. Bare steel plus oxygen plus moisture equals rust, every single time. Iron tannate plus oxygen plus moisture equals nothing. The reaction does not happen because the iron is no longer exposed. Dr. Waverly said the $3 prevention protocol is not a substitute for proper gear care over the season. You still clean your rifle after each use, you still oil the bore, you still wipe down blued surfaces after handling. The preventive layer is the foundation under all of that. It is what keeps rust from forming on the days when you forget. When the rain comes in sideways and you just want to get inside, when the gear goes in the truck wet and stays there overnight. Those are the moments the $3 layer earns its cost. Scan the QR code showing in the top left of the screen right now, or hit the link in the description below and get the full guide. If your gear season starts clean, keep it that way. The $3 box in the T aisle is the only product you need. Go get it right now while you're watching this video. And before you close out, hit subscribe right now. Dr. Waverly is back on the bench next week with what happened when he tested this on a rifle that had been stored for 20 years, and the result was not what either of us expected.